Guys, let's be real, very practical. Let's
Yes.
not use those fancy things. Let's talk very practical things, because somebody who is watching, they were also looking forward to join the college or to look forward to join a better company, better placement. So let's be very real and talk whatever is realistic.
Once you get into any campus, it is very important to interact as many as a student if possible. So we have got some bunch of students. Let me try and talk to them. Hi guys, good morning to you all. Sir. So you all are having some chit chat time. Can I join you for a moment? Thank you so much.
We'll start, brother. You Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, you told
Hyderabad.
that you are from Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
So from Hyderabad coming to Uttarakhand, what makes you do that?
First thing, I was not looking for any metro cities for my MBA because
What is the reason of that?
I have been brought up in Hyderabad my entire life. I was born in Maharashtra but brought up in Telangana. I worked for 2.5 years and in Hyderabad itself after my UG, and I didn't want to do an MBA in metropolitan cities. When I narrowed my search list down to really quiet and pleasant cities which had very decent MBA curriculum with business analytics, because of course for a business analytics major I need industry ready institutes to teach me.
Yes.
So I narrowed down my list to only 2 colleges, and best among those was DBS Global
What was the other
University.
college?
It
Which was
was
the other college?
AI University, Karjat, Maharashtra.
Okay, that UBS.
Yes.
UBS talking about
Yes,
UBS
yes,
AI
yes,
University. Okay. Now, would you agree with the Vaishnavi that even in these small cities also can offer the best of the exposure?
Yes, sir. Why not? It doesn't matter the in which city the college is situated. It matters what you can learn from the university or from the teachers which are present there.
Mhm.
For example, coming to DBS has helped me understand how things work actually, how a corporate world works, how MBA works, what are the subjects, and what are the difference between every subject, and what is the importance of every subject. So I guess, it depends on you how you want to learn it and how much you can grasp from teachers, from your Didi Bhaiyas here, from anyone in the college.
Okay.
So city is not a major factor, I think.
Mhm.
It is up to you how well you are managed to do that.
Okay. What's your view?
So, since I'm from Jamshedpur, I
Yeah.
never discovered Dehradun. I'm here for the first time, and I love to
This
travel.
actually reflecting from your eyes.
Yeah, and I, I really love to travel. I love mountains. I love waterfalls. When
Okay.
I came to Dehradun, I went to Koti. I saw the waterfall for the first time, and I enjoyed it so much. Actually, I'm so much connected with nature that that was the reason I think DBS Global University Dehradun attracted me from Jamshedpur to Uttarakhand. And also, sir, the environment is so peaceful here. Like, I love peace, and the college provides a very peaceful and vibrant environment to the students. And I love connecting with teachers who are from Dehradun, learning about their
So
experiences.
before joining
Yeah.
the college, you must have some kind of picture hill area is
Yeah,
going to be the
sure.
Uttarakhand. Is it the same, or like some like some
Actually, I
diluted?
thought that the actually I didn't come to the college beforehand. I only came when the final admission process started. So I didn't have any idea that the college is surrounded by mountains. But yeah, the college is in Selakoi. But the campus itself is so beautiful that you won't feel that. Yeah, we go to places, we visit every weekend. So if we want to explore, we go to Rajpur Road, we have Lander, we have Masuri, such beautiful places to explore around. So you don't feel that distance from the mountains.
You need to answer like while deciding the college, what should be the main points which you should consider, rather than just blindly going to, no, I have to do it from Bangalore, or I have to do it from Pune only.
Absolutely, because the offers, I shortlisted 5 colleges. I gave
Which
CMAT.
are those first?
Yes, so I applied for Manav Rachta University, which is
Okay.
in Delhi, so
Okay.
closer to my house. UPES, which is again in Dehradun.
Okay.
I applied for Alliance University in Bangalore and ISBR in Bangalore again.
Okay.
I got admission in all these colleges.
Okay.
I cracked all of these.
Huh.
Choosing DBS, we chose DBS because of the fact, of course, the fees is way much less than as compared to other colleges.
So
60 lakhs.
have you given any entrance exam?
I gave CMAT.
What was your score?
It was 83.
83.
Yeah.
So definitely all the colleges must have opened door for you.
Absolutely. But like I said, the fees was way lower. The ROI was very nice because getting into a 16 lakh college where the fees is 16 lakhs and where the average package is again 10 lakhs. So it makes no sense. The fees here is 8 lakhs. The average package is 8 to 10 lakhs. So the ROI is 100%. Right? So I'm spending 8 to 10 lakhs over 2 years and earning 8 LPA in a year. So no, it's more than double. So that was first criteria.
So once you decide these 4-5 colleges, because I get calls from many students like I have these 6 colleges. Now
True.
tell me which one I should decide. So even I will, I would definitely ask this question to you. What things you actually considered, or what parameter you decide that I finalized I will go to DBS on?
Right. Of course, the fee was the first thing. Location, it mattered, but not up to a certain extent because I was very flexible. Because I was planning to move abroad prior to that, but the fee was way much higher. That's why I dropped that plan. That's why I couldn't give CAT in the first place. Fee, of course, primary reason. Taking lakhs of loan and then spending years to repay it. For me, it makes no sense.
Okay.
Even if you get into an IM, paying 25 to 30 lakhs, okay, yes, IM gives you a placement in Amazon and Google and whatever MNC, you name it, you'll get placement there. But to sustain that job, you need skills. So for me, I'm very adamant. I'm a true advocate of the fact that it only depends on the individual of what type of placement you crack. Choosing a college should definitely the external factors, the fee, proximity from your hometown to the college, how often you can travel to and fro, of course the job opportunities, of course we are all here for placements. But I think at the end of the day, it is completely on the individual of how much you can fetch from a university, because like you see 6 of us sitting here, it is also an opportunity to sit here and talk of whatever skills we have. And I think
Excellent. I really appreciate the way you pin down all the things. What is your view? Guys, let's be real, very practical. Let's not use those fancy things, which looks very unrealistic. Let's talk very practical things, because you are also going to be, looking forward for a great future. And somebody who is watching, they were also looking forward to join the college or to look forward to join a better company, better placement. So let's be very real and talk whatever, is talk whatever is realistic.
So adding to the points, I would also like to mention the alumni that we have here, because I have connections in the industry, and regardless, my seniors from my UG have also studied here. They passed on and they are working in various sectors. So the alma mater also creates a very good impact, and it helped me narrow down this. And I have been a traveler before since, because I did my UG in hotel management, went to Goa for job, went to Delhi for job, then I was 2 years back in my hometown Lucknow, and then all these crowded places gave me a narrative that okay, get a settled place, settle and have boundaries respected and be far where you have peace of mind. And Dehradun with this college has given me that state of mind, and plus also given the opportunity to outshine that yes, the instant abilities that I had in the previous sectors, and the specialization that our university offers is mainly greater, because SAP and SAS are the 2 major things that only this university is providing as of now. And when we talk about the AI integrity coming into the place, we are being taught how to use AI correct manner. Like the prompt engineering is being taught to us, which also sets this college a very, very different apart on the levels which no one is going to touch. And if we talk about the IMs, yes, my friends are also studying there. We have the same rigor and everything going on. So I don't see any difference as of now between an IM grad and the graduation that we are going to get from this college as well.
Now, can you also put your point?
Yes, sir. For me, it should be in Uttarakhand because I have to help my father in the family business, so I have to live around the Uttarakhand. Besides that, after the classes, we have a lot more clubs.
Discuss about the clubs only, because I have
Yes,
heard
sir.
many students are talking. How these clubs are basically helping you guys?
We have domain specific clubs as well.
How well you speak on stage.
So I'm in the dance club, and
Okay.
since childhood I love dancing. So it was
great. Clapping. Great.
Yeah.
Platform also, apart from the regular, academics.
After these classes, we get to interact with people.
What helped me joining theatre as a club? नुक्कड़ नाटक में हम लोगों को कन्विंस करते हैं कि आप आओ हमारी सुनो.
मार्केटिंग भी में भी कई बार नाटक ही करना पड़ता है.
Marketing में भी नाटक ही करना पड़ता है.
Academics would make it monotonous.
These 3,000 would help me bring 3 lakhs.
Okay.
It's not just a separate segment of this college.
Asked or forced to join any club, or that is your choice? I want to join or don't want to join.